Today we will set up the C compiler and IDE. At first download the codeblocks IDE. Download link given in the video description. So follow the instructions. Do you know what is codeblocks? Codeblocks is a free, open-source cross-platform IDE that supports multiple compilers including GCC, Clang and Visual C++. It is developed in C++ using WX widgets as the GUI toolkit. Using a plugin architecture, its capabilities and features are defined by the provided plugins. Source Wikipedia. OK, simply install the downloaded file. Test the IDE and print hello world. Wow, it's working. Now download the Dev C++ IDE. Link in the description. Dev C++ is a free full-featured integrated development environment distributed under the GNU General Public License for programming in C and C++. It was originally developed by Colin Laplace and first released in 1998. It is written in Delphi. Source Wikipedia. Finally, we are going to install the GCC compiler, so follow the instructions. The GNU Compiler Collection is an optimizing compiler produced by the GNU project supporting various programming languages, hardware architectures and operating systems. The Free Software Foundation distributes GCC as free software under the GNU General Public License. Source Wikipedia.